Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, let's open up our contacts application right over here. From here you want to tap on the three bars right at the top, navigate to settings and select import from the bottom, SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card, hopefully. Any moment, there we go. Now it took it a bit of time to load them, but there we go. So those are all my SIM cards. By default they are all selected, so all you would need to do is click on import. Obviously if you don't want all of them, deselect some of them. And when you go back, you can see them now in your contacts list. So that is how you can import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.